Hey, Millennial Mamas. I'm sorry. It's been a while. I'm back, okay? Another session of spaghetti from scratch, okay? As scratchy as it's gonna get, okay? I still can't believe that I've spent 30 some years eating spaghetti sauce from a jar, from a store, from a giant brand, when it's literally the simplest ingredients and it tastes so delicious. I genuinely wish I could give y'all some because it tastes that good, okay? And it's just tomatoes and garlic and onions and a couple seasonings, you know? Like, it doesn't get any better than that, okay? And the fact that the children will eat it, the fact that the children said it was the best spaghetti sauce they've ever had, I mean, granted, the years of their lives are very minimal compared to mine, and they haven't had that much spaghetti sauce. But it was delicious, y'all. I really can't even, like, tomatoes, garlic, onions, oregano, Italian seasoning, some fresh basil, and boom, look at that. It even looks pretty in the fucking pot. Like, it's so pretty. You add you some salt and pepper in there, let it cook with some olive oil. Okay, make sure you use olive oil. Don't use canola oil or vegetable oil or whatever else. You need to use olive oil, okay? That's going to give it the authentic flavor that you're looking for. And then sprinkle a little bit of sugar on there to break down the acidity of the tomatoes, even though these tomatoes are fresh, of course, and you don't really need that much sugar. I feel like I put more sugar in the spaghetti sauce that came from the jar because the acidity level is so high in those. But anyway, don't come from my pot, okay? I don't have a lid big enough to cover this pot, so I use the baking sheet. But anyway, yeah, like spaghetti sauce from scratch. We had spaghetti with broccoli, some roasted broccoli, and I made a veggie sauce and a meat sauce. So because the kids don't like the meat in theirs, which is fine. But for the meat, I used some sausage and some hamburger or ground beef. And I'm trying to tell y'all, like, stop buying spaghetti sauce from the store. I'm so serious. Like, I can't put enough words in it. And honestly, when you think about getting spaghetti sauce and you're like, ooh, I want to make a really good spaghetti tonight or whatever the case is, you want to go for the more expensive jars. And they're like $8 or $9. Some of them can run you even more than that, depending where you are. By the time you do that, you might as well just make it from scratch because it's still cheaper, okay? I added some mushrooms in there because I had some left over in the refrigerator. I didn't want to go to waste. You know how I am about wasting food. We're not about to waste the food, okay? So throw it in whatever dish you're about to use, okay? But stop buying spaghetti sauce. I cannot stress it enough. I want you all to make it and love it just like I did, because spaghetti is a very easy meal. And if you can make it more nutritious by not using jarred spaghetti sauce, then do that, okay? It doesn't take that much more time, okay? Honestly, the hardest part is the prep. The hardest part is always the prep. Getting the prep done is the biggest part for any dish you make, because if you cook with fresh food like we do, you know, it takes a little bit of time to prep the stuff. So, I mean, hopefully soon we'll be pulling stuff from our garden this summer and getting stuff from the farmer's market, so it'll have a lot more flavor and a lot more nutrients in it rather than just buying stuff from the grocery store. But as of right now, we gotta take what we can get, okay? So, but anyway, like I said, the most delicious spaghetti sauce. I will continue to make it from scratch, and yeah, you could just lick the spaghetti sauce, like, genuinely. It's beautiful. And like I said before in my other video, it's orange, and it's that orange color because I use red onions. So it throws off the color of the, you know, the authentic red sauce that you're looking for the tomatoes. But it tastes delicious, okay? Like I said, salt, pepper, oregano, a little Italian seasoning, some fresh basil, and boom, you got some freaking delicious spaghetti sauce, okay? Follow me for more, okay? I love you guys. Keep holding down, Millennial Mamas. We got this.